Hello, YouTube. Here's turn signals part 2 on the 2019 Rover. You can see right there I got the left flashers on. Here, let me do the right. There's the right. And what I've done is, on that first video, I had these 4 flashers. Now these are non-sequential. These require a flasher unit to flash. Well, they didn't quite work out because the flasher unit didn't work out. It was a little electronic unit. I had it mounted right here, and it was prone to vibrations, and it would not keep working. The first one I broke. I put the second one on, and the lights would come on, but they wouldn't flash. I mean, sometimes they would, and sometimes they wouldn't. So when you're wanting to have turn signal indicators, you want them to work when you hit the switch. So I ditched these. Now, if I'd have used a better flasher, a $10 flasher, American made, whatever, I don't know, but it's just more work. Flasher, 2 wires to run. You just don't need it. You can go ahead and buy the sequential. And they're a little fast, but hey, they work. They work good. And they work every time you hit the switch. You can be assured they're going to flash, because they turn off and on. No flasher required. Okay, these 4 cost me on Temu about $6-7, which is not a bad price. These ones on the Sikk Ped cost me like $10 for 4 of them. But they have a feature of they light on the back to let you know that they're turned on. But anyway, no matter where you buy them or what you pay for them, get the sequential. Don't fool with the flasher. It's unnecessary. And that's about it. I will talk to you later.